Hi everyone, Jen Scott with Coldwell Banker Realty. Today I'm in my new community, Orchid Cove, which is in Vero Beach on Orchid Island, Florida. The home that I am in right now is our furnished model, which is available for sale and move-in ready now. This particular home is on the lagoon side of the neighborhood. There are preserve views outside the window, which is directly across from the kitchen. Here's the gourmet kitchen. The kitchen is stunning. Beautiful tall cabinetry. Large cook's island with gorgeous granite. Tons of storage. This home is an entertainer's delight. Beautiful ceilings. This home is a 2-bedroom plus a den and 2.5 bathrooms. Here's the master bedroom. Give you a quick look. And the master bath. If you are a boater, this community is perfect for you. Literally like 4 or 5 homes down the street are 21 boat docks, and you can purchase one and have it licensed for you and keep your vessel here full time if you like. There's also a kayak launch down there where we're doing a fishing pier in the neighborhood, and the clubhouse is currently under construction and should be completed mid-fall of this year. So if you'd like more information on this home, I'll be here all day today, and I look forward to telling you all about it. I'm super excited about these homes. I think you're really gonna love them. My number's 561-351-4091. I am looking forward to speaking with you and telling you all about it. Thanks for watching.